sums based on the derogatory values or various types of the values. From that we will simplify it. So first of all you have to draw this figure, draw this table. આ તમારે પહેલા ટેબલ બનાવી દેવાનું, મેં તમને ગઈકાલે લીધી દેલું છે. તો first of all you have to learn this one perfectly. Okay, now illustrations number 6, textbook page number 185 पर આ sums છે. In triangle ABCD is 90, AB 5, ACB 30. Determine the length of side BC and AC. You are given in triangle ABCB is 90 and C is 30. So I have taken C here. Now AB is here 5. You want to find the BC. Which ratio we will take this one? Tangent of C. Tangent of C is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Tangent of C means tangent of 30. Tangent of 30, opposite side AB upon BC. So tangent of 30 is equal to what? Tangent of 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. Is equal to 1 over root 3. AB is equal to how much? 5 you are given. 5. BC you want to find. Therefore cross multiplications 5 root 3 centimeters you are given. Okay, 10 C એટલે આ બે રૂટમાંથી આપણને આપેલું છે ના મળી જશે. Now I want to this hypotenuse AC. So I will take 5 root 3 either sine or a cosine because we have BC also. Okay, I will take sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse sine C. Sine 30, opposite side AB is equal to 5. AC you want to find 1 upon 2. AB is equal to 5 AC. Therefore AC is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. Get it? એટલે તમારે જોવાનું કઈ વસ્તુ આપેલી છે, કયો રેશિયો લઈએ તો એ સાઇડ્સ આપણે ઇન્ક્લુડ થાય અને કઈ રીતે આપણે શોધી લેવાનું તે આપણે સ્ટડી કરતા. ઓકે, if you have done more practice you will get the idea. It is very easy. Illustrations number 7. In triangle PQRQ is 90. PQ is 3 centimeters, PR is equal to 6 centimeters. Find the angle QPR and PRQ. First of all, in triangle PQR, Q is 90, PR is equal to 6, PQ is equal to 3. From that I will find angle P. So these two sides is given. With reference to P, it is a cos. Okay, cos of P is equal to PQ adjacent side upon hypotenuse PR is equal to how much? 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. For which value of cos P is equal to 1 upon 2? Cos ની લાઈન માં અહીં આપણે છે. Okay, 1 upon 2 ના રેફરન્સ માં કયો એંગલ આવે છે? 60. Therefore measure angle P is equal to 60. Then આપણે એમ જોતા હતા કે cos 60 is equal to how much? Then 1 upon 2. Now we will see when will be the value, what is the value of theta when cos is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 mark is 60. Got it? So angle P is 60. What is the angle R? For triangle PQR, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180. You know very well. Therefore R is equal to 180 minus angle P plus angle Q. 180 minus P is equal to how much? 60 plus 90 is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30. So you will get this answer, angle P and angle R. Example number 8. if sin A minus B is equal to 1 upon 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 upon 2. A plus B is an acute angle. A plus B lies between 0 and 90. Find angle A and B. Sin A minus B is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30. How? See here. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is equal. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 value है क्या? Theta कितना है? 30. So I have written 30. Okay. Similarly, from table you can write here. From table. Okay. So now cos A plus B is equal to 1 upon 2. Now what is the cos 1 upon 2? 60. Therefore A plus B is equal to 60. That is equations number 1. That is equations number 2. Linear equations. Solving this. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2. A minus B is equal to how much? 30. And A plus B is equal to how much? 60. So that is cancelled. 2A is 90. Therefore, A is equal to 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. Now, A plus B is equal to 60. Therefore, angle B is equal to 60 minus A. 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 is your answer. Get it? Example number 1. Evaluate the following. I have keep it as it is. The remaining things I have wrote it out. Okay, see here. This table is necessary. Now sin 60 is equal to what? That is sin. That is 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to what? That is cos 30 root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 is equal to what? Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is equal to what? 1 upon 2. Is equal to 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 LCM 4 3 plus 1 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Nothing to do. Substitute this value and simplify. This exercise number 8.2 complete. Like this, only these two sentences. Now 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is equal to 2. Tan square 45 is equal to what? That is tan 45 here. So it is a 1. 1 square plus cos square 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So answer is, get it? Now cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Sec 45, where is your sec? Sec 45, 1 over root 2 whole upon sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to where? It is 2 upon root 3. Plus cosec 30. Where is cosec? Cosec. Cosec 30 is equal to plus 2. Check. We have substituted this value. Now you have to simplify it. 1 upon 2 root 2 whole upon root 3 is your LCM. So here 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Now I will take it here upon sides. If A upon B upon C upon D, जरा बराबर ध्यान रख दीजिए. A upon B, D upon C. Okay, 1 upon root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3. So I have taken 1 upon root 2 plus root 3, that is here. Root 3 is your LCM. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, now root 3 multiply this 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, 2 common. So I have taken root 6 plus root 2 upon 3. Actually that is your answer. But we know that generally we will not keep the denominator in the, we will not the irrational number in the denominators. Okay, so I will take it which factorize, rationalized factorize, multiplied and divided. Root 6 plus 2 is rationalized factor is root 6 minus root 2, 6 minus root 2. Squaring with, so 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6, 2. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. 6 minus 2. Root 18 minus root 6 upon 4. 8. That is also sometimes okay. Now I just simplified. 18 is a multiple of 9. So 9 into root 2 plus 6. 3 root 2 root 6 upon 2. Actually તમને આન્સરમાં આપેલું હોય તમે આ જુઓ એટલે કે આન્સર નથી આવતો, but these two both are the same. Get it? समझ पड़ गई है? 4. Now example number 4. First of all we will substitute this value. Sin 30 tan 45, cosec 60 sec 30, cos 60 tan 45. Sin 30 1 upon 2, tan 45 plus 1, cosec 60 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3, whole upon sec 30 2 upon root 3. 3 here, sec 30 2 root 3, 2 upon root 3 not 3, plus cos 60 1 over cos 60 1 over 2, 1 upon 2, plus cot 45 1 is equal to 2 root 3 is your LCM. So here root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 whole upon, here also 2 root 3 is your LCM. I will take it talking about this derivative. 2 root 3, 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Here 2 root 3 cancel. So here 1 upon 2, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Okay, that 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus this and this plus 4. Get it? समझ पड़े छे के that is your like term. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is your like term. Okay, so it will be like this way. Now what is the conjugative fractions of this one? Minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. That is your rationalized factor. So here 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square is equal to a minus b whole square. I will do here 3 root 3 whole square minus 2 3 root 3 plus 4 whole square upon 3 3s are 9 into 3 minus 4 4s are 16. So here 9 into 3 minus 6 root 3 plus 16 upon 9 3s are 27 minus 16. 9 3s are 27 minus 6 root 3 plus 16. 27 minus 16 is equal to 11. 16 43 6 root 3 upon 11, that is your answer. Get it? You will get this one. 43 minus 6 root 3 upon 11. Just a minute. Here we have forgot to take this plus 4 square. So here 3 2s are 6 2s are 24. That is your 24. So here it is a 24 is your answer. Repeat. 3 minus a square minus b square. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 into 4 plus 4. 3 3s are 9 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 4s are 24, root 3 plus 16, 27 minus 16, 24, 24 plus 3 plus 11, 43 minus 24, root 3 upon this. That is your answer. Get it? Now example number 5. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Now sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. તમારે આગળ ગણવામાં આવશે. અત્યારે આપણે વેલ્યુ લખી દઈશું. 5 cos square 60. Cos square 60 is equal to 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 sec square 30. Sec square 30 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Be careful while substituting the methods. Substituting the value. Value substitute કરવા માટે પહેલા થોડો 1 મિનિટ વધારે લાગે પણ શાંતિ. Then simplify. If your substitution is wrong, then whole sums will be wrong. Sin square 30 1 upon 2 square plus root 3 upon 2 square is equal to 5 into 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 1 whole upon 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. In numerators 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 whole upon 4 is your LCM 1 plus 3. So here in numerator 12 is your LCM. 5 3s are 15. 4 64 minus 12 upon 4 upon 4. Get it? 1. That is 12. 15 plus 64 is 79 minus 12. So 79 minus 12 is equal to 67 upon 12. That is your answer. Get it? આ બધા sums ના અંદર આપણે શું કર્યું? Just put the value, simplify. Put the value, simplify. Nothing to do. Okay?